Hi, everybody. Sunday evening, I had to wait and watch my Kansas City Chiefs football team. I'm a big fan. Win their game tonight before I could get the video going. So that's why it's a little bit later than normal. Hope you had a good day today. I'm also down at Lake Tahoe for a weather conference. That's tomorrow, Tuesday. Then I fly back home on Wednesday. So I'm in a hotel room and I've got this light that I can't shut off that's shining right down in front of me. That's that little beam of light that you see. Anyway, let's get you going. The Weather Service has hung on with an ice storm warning for Hood River and the Hood River Valley. And from what I can tell, surface observations, it's mostly up in elevation in the Hood River Valley. It's this, kind of garnet color right there. Other than that, again, no warnings, no watches across our area. So that's terrific news. We are warming, generally speaking, as we expected to. Now, here's what the temperatures are doing in the gorge. There's still an east wind. In fact, the east winds kind of thought they would taper off somewhat today, but they didn't back off at all. It's still been gusting to about 40 miles per hour all day out in Troutdale, where it's 39 degrees right now. Cascade Locks is above freezing. Hood River's right at 32. Again, there's that ice storm warning. The Dow's, though, above freezing at 34. Fairly steady temperatures expected in the gorge tonight. And all indications are there's a system coming in tomorrow morning that is expected to finally be strong enough to shut the east winds off, turn them light to the south. And if that's the case, we would see some warming in the gorge. This shows 39 in the Stevenson Cascade Locks area tomorrow and 44 degrees on Tuesday. Reports from today, 2/10 of an inch of ice in Hood River, and I saw some reports of more thicker ice than that. Ice accumulation up in the Hood River Valley around Parkdale. I thought I saw a report up there that was more than a half of an inch of accumulated ice. So that's a pretty good ice event up there in the gorge without question. Okay, well, moisture continues to come in tonight, and that ice warning is posted into tomorrow morning for the central part of the gorge there. And you can see all the moisture coming in. Again, there's a front that comes in tomorrow morning. So it's going to be pretty steady rain overnight tonight. And if you look down here, you see the little curl. There's the upper level low off of the southern Oregon coast. A little difficult to see it with the upper level contouring right there, but you can see it. And again, this is the moisture flow that's going to be steady all night tonight into tomorrow morning. And then it looks like we'll get a little bit of a break during the day tomorrow. I do want to touch on what the observations are. This is the old-fashioned tabular report from the National Weather Service. Being an old school forecaster, it's still the best way to see what's going on. So the coast has been warm. It's 50 in Astoria at 7 o'clock in the evening, 52 in Tillamook, 52 in Newport. Not much wind anywhere until you get along the Columbia River. PDX along the Columbia, southeast wind at 20 and only 40 degrees. I had forecasted mid 40s today or 46, and we only hit 41. Total rainfall today in Portland, by the way, was 34 107 inch. I'm looking at my report, and still had an east wind in Troutdale gusting to 37 miles per hour. That's actually over the last hourly observation. See what they're doing right now. Here's Troutdale. Yeah, east winds are gusting to 37. So it hasn't really calmed. Look how Troutdale's 40. But then you get away from the gorge. Eugene's 52, Corvallis is 48, Salem's 49. These are current temperatures. Salem hit 52 for a high temperature today, you folks. So, and even Hillsboro is in the mid 40s. So basically, everybody except for that immediate area along the Columbia River is warmed up. It's that immediate area along the Columbia River where temperatures are still right about 40 degrees. Here's the way it looks on a map. Again, these are the 7 o'clock observations. 48 in Salem, 39 in Portland. Wow. 39 in Vancouver. Gresham, 38. These temperatures will hold steady. Everybody was above freezing this morning. You folks that are still chilly will be above freezing overnight tonight as well. So no concerns there. It's just, a bit of a disappointment that's taking so long to get us to warm up. And we have to get the east winds to completely shut off to do that, apparently. And we think tomorrow is another chance for that to happen. So far, we've been striking out. Okay. Here is the rain. It's pretty steady overnight tonight. Very wet if you're up early tomorrow morning. This is 4 a.m. in the morning. And there we are at 10 o'clock in the morning. So here's the front now pushing through. So tomorrow afternoon breaks into scattered showers. And there will be some rain on the radar, but certainly the wettest part of the day is in the morning. Then the afternoon breaks up a little bit. If you count what's falling tonight into tomorrow, weather models still give us about a half of an inch of rain yet to come. Now here's a little push of increasing moisture Monday overnight into early Tuesday morning. And then this is what I've been saying. Tuesday, scattered showers during the day and not a whole lot of rain. Well, let me back up. That got misleading. So this is Tuesday, not a whole lot of rain, but we will see rains pick back up on Wednesday. That could be another 3/10 to a half of an inch of rain. And overall, it's still raining more than not all the way into this coming weekend as we continue to warm up. We talked about that a lot yesterday. So, kind of a brief video tonight. I'll get into some more detail about the pattern that we have coming up when I have some time to look at the models more. I was traveling today, as I mentioned. But weather models give us 45 tomorrow. We'll see if we can do it. It's only 41 today. If those east winds shut off, we will. Tuesday, 39. There's rain to that chance of rain, so a drier afternoon. Rain picking up on Wednesday. Thursday, I think is likely rain, but this may not be that wet of a day. Again, I think Wednesday gets into steady rain during the day. Thursday's more scattered. And then I have rain picking up during the day Friday. And then you can see some sun breaks on Saturday and Sunday as well. This gives us 50 degrees on Sunday. Maybe we do it on Tuesday. If it's dry Tuesday afternoon, I like us getting up to Tuesday. These are actually the automated National Weather Service numbers that I'm showing you tonight. Okay. So kind of a brief update. Hope you had a good day. I'll wish you a good Monday. Thanks for subscribing to my weather channel. And I'm meteorologist Rod Hill, and I'll talk to you soon.